In this video, you'll learn how to add or edit image captions in WordPress. This guide will take you through each step of the process, ensuring you can easily manage your image captions effectively. To begin, navigate to the WordPress.com homepage. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites on the left side of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to your list of websites. After the Sites page appears, select the specific site you want to edit. This will direct you to the dashboard of that site. Ensure that you are on the correct site, as any changes made will only affect the selected one. Next, locate and click on the Close button, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. This action will allow you to access the site editor. Once the editor loads, you will see various editing options available for your content. Once the site editor is open, find and click on the plus icon, which typically appears in the toolbar. This icon allows you to add new elements to your page. After clicking it, a menu will display various content options for you to choose from. Now, select the image option from the menu. Clicking on it will prompt you to choose an image from your media library or upload a new one. If you wish to upload a new image, look for the button labeled Upload an Image. After selecting Upload an Image, a file dialog will open. Here, navigate through your computer's directories to find the image you want to use. Keep in mind that larger files may take longer to upload, depending on your internet speed. Once you've located the desired image, click on it to select it, then click the Open button in the file dialog to begin the upload process. You may see a progress indicator while the image uploads, which will confirm that the action is in progress. After the image has been successfully uploaded, it will appear in the editor. At this point, you can add or edit the caption by clicking on the caption area beneath the image. Enter your desired text in the caption field, making sure it is clear and descriptive. And there you have it. You have now successfully added an image caption in WordPress. Remember to save your changes before exiting the editor to ensure your updates are preserved. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.